Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon Simple Queue service has expanded its IPv6 support to include virtual private cloud endpoints across all AWS commercial regions. This development enables customers to make API requests over Internet Protocol version 6 using AWS Private Link with VPC endpoints. Previously, IPv6 compatibility was only available for public endpoints. This update allows customers to privately connect their VPCs to Amazon SQS using IPv6, in addition to the existing support for IPv4 clients. This simultaneous support enables a gradual transition from IPv4 to IPv6-based systems and applications without requiring a complete switch. Amazon SQS is a fully managed message queuing service that enables decoupling and scaling of distributed systems, microservices, and serverless applications. With this expansion, customers can utilize VPC endpoints to access Amazon SQS with IPv6 support available in all AWS commercial regions, including the AWS China regions operated by CNET and NWCD. Amazon EC2 high-memory U7i instances have been enhanced to support increased Amazon Elastic Block Store performance. This improvement is particularly beneficial for memory-intensive workloads such as SAP HANA, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server databases. The EBS performance boost enables faster database operations and reduced restart times for large in-memory databases. The enhanced EBS performance supports up to 560,000 IOPS and 100 gigabits per second of EBS-optimized bandwidth, thanks to the latest advancements in the AWS Nitro system. They recommend using IO2 block express volumes for maximum IOPS performance. Existing and new U7i instances launched from now on will benefit from this increased EBS performance at no additional cost. Users can simply stop and start their existing instances to enable the performance increase. This enhanced EBS performance is available in all AWS regions where U7i instances are generally available. AWS Private Certificate Authority has increased its default limit for issuing digital certificates per certificate authority from 1 million to 100 million. This significant boost in capacity allows organizations to streamline their CA operations by managing fewer authorities while maintaining the security and flexibility of their public key infrastructure. The new limit applies to CAs configured without revocation or with revocation configuration set to partitioned certificate revocation list and/or online certificate status protocol. CAs configured with complete certificate revocation list, on the other hand, continue to have a maximum limit of 1 million certificates per CA. Organizations using complete CRL can switch to partitioned CRL to automatically increase their certificate issuance limit to 100 million. This managed service enables organizations to create private certificate authorities for authenticating internal users, servers, applications, and devices while securing the CA's private keys using Federal Information Processing Standard 140-3 Level 3 hardware security modules. AWS Private Certificate Authority offers connectors for seamless integration with Kubernetes, Active Directory, and mobile device management software. The service is available in all commercial AWS regions, the AWS GovCloud regions, and the China regions. For more information on AWS Private CA certificate limits, organizations can consult the AWS Private CA service quotas. AWS Firewall Manager has introduced support for AWS Private Link, allowing customers to manage their security policies privately without relying on the public internet. This integration enables secure communication between VPCs, AWS services, and on-premises applications over Amazon's network. As a result, all management and control traffic between clients and network firewall flows over a private network, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. By leveraging AWS Private Link with AWS Firewall Manager, customers can now access their security policies without compromising on security. AWS Firewall Manager documentation provides more information on how this integration works, while the AWS region table lists the regions where AWS Firewall Manager is currently available. For further details on AWS Firewall Manager's features and pricing, users can visit the official website. Amazon RDS Custom for SQL Server, a managed database service, has expanded its availability to the Africa region. With this expansion, customers can now bring their own licensed SQL Server media and customize the underlying operating system and database environment. This feature allows them to simplify operations by leveraging high availability with multi-availability zone setup, automated backups, point-in-time recovery, and cross-region snapshot copying. As a managed service, Amazon RDS Custom for SQL Server provides customers with the ability to customize their database environment without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. For more information on how this service works, customers can refer to the Amazon RDS Custom for SQL Server user guide. Pricing details can be found on the Amazon RDS Custom pricing page. Amazon Simple Notification Service has expanded its IPv6 support to virtual private cloud endpoints in AWS commercial regions. This means that customers can now make API requests over Internet Protocol version 6 through AWS Private Link with VPC endpoints, extending IPv6 compatibility from public endpoints. This move enables publish/subscribe messaging between distributed systems, microservices, and event-driven serverless applications. With simultaneous support for both IPv4 and IPv6 clients on SNS VPC endpoints, customers can gradually transition from IPv4 to IPv6-based systems without needing to switch all systems at once. IPv6 support is now available in all AWS commercial regions, including those operated by CNET and NWCD. This development allows for private connections between VPCs and Amazon SNS using IPv6. For more information on using Amazon SNS with interface VPC endpoints, customers can refer to the developer guide. Amazon CloudWatch's software development kit has announced support for both JSON and concise binary object representation protocols. This move enables lower latency and improved performance for CloudWatch customers who use the SDK to manage their monitoring resources. The SDK will automatically use either JSON or CBOR as its default communication protocol, resulting in reduced end-to-end processing latency and smaller payload sizes. These changes will also minimize application client-side CPU and memory usage. This optimized support is available in all AWS regions where Amazon CloudWatch is available and for all generally available AWS SDK language variants. Customers can access the Preview SDK by installing it from the links provided in CloudWatch documentation, allowing them to leverage these performance improvements in non-production accounts. For more information on the AWS SDK, customers can visit Amazon Developer Tools. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.